Sometimes I remember a story about a little girl, who is much older now, who saw a rolling calf on her grandfather's farm. He had a lot of cows orchard and cud, and as she watched them, she looked over toward a particular cow, and that's when her eyes catch something with two glowing red eyes. It was a rolling calf far off in the distance. The rolling calf looked like him a try look for someone or something. She run to her grandfather, told him what she saw and how it looked like it was searching for somebody.
Follow Jamaican true stories.
That's when her grandfather let her know there will be a man live couple of yards away, and he believed there'll be a man send the rolling calf to try to summon other spirits for do him work. Granddaddy also told the little girl that it is common for there'll be a peopledom to send stronger spirits to try get rid of other demons. The little girl learned something that day and passed it on to her children and her children's children.
Follow, like, and share for more Jamaican true stories.